everyone, it is Susie and welcome back to the channel. I kind of wanted to share a couple of projects that I'd worked through in April. I have been trying to catch up on a couple of swaps that I had for my Facebook group. And anyway, so I had just worked on a few things last month and I thought I would go ahead and share a couple of things I was doing. So, first of all, I did finally finish the journal that I was working on. And these here I want to share actually come from Sunset Crafts and More on here on YouTube. And anyway, I will actually link the video that I watched for these. But they are just so cute. They are like a little accordion style. Now these I went ahead and tore apart. But they are like a little accordion style, like tickets. And they're just so fun. This here is made out of actually a little file folder that's in the craft color. I got these at Staples a long time ago. And I'm about near at the end of them, and I just had maybe a couple left, but that's what these are at. So they're kind of thick. Now, I did tape the back of mine here because they were coming apart. My perforator is a good perforator, and whenever time I was working on these and they got kind of bit, it finally just started falling apart. So I actually did these on just a piece of coffee dyed paper. And they stayed together really well. I didn't have to put anything on the back of those. But this is just regular coffee dyed copy paper. And just love the way these little things came out. Now, I have a stub punch. We are memory keepers. And so I used my stub punch. But now, in her video, she actually, I believe, just used a little round, one of those little tiny round punches. To make hers. But anyway, like I said, I will put the link in the description box and you can go over and watch how she made hers. But they were just so cute, and I had planned on making a few more, but I got busy with some of my stuff that I was doing for the swaps and all, so I didn't get them done. But I thought if you didn't have a stub, like the ticket stub punch, you could easily just use an angle, you know, a little angled punch there. And I think I wrote something on the back here. Yeah, these were just an 8.5 by 11 sheet of, this is just copy paper, just dyed copy paper, and I cut mine at 2 1/8 by 4 1/4 is what I ended up making each individual one at. So I perforated it every 2 1/8 inch, and I might have cut a little bit off, I can't remember now. But that's what size I made them, and then I got 2 out of 1 sheet is what I got when I did it that way. So anyway, just real fun. Here's some like grocery. This is just the paper, the brown paper, and I did these with the tag, the little tag. But the paper ones have stayed really good, and this is like that really dark copy paper, and then here's some more paper that I didn't get done. But anyway, just so much fun. And I thought these would be another stash buster. Trying to use up like your Tim Holtz and all those little bits and pieces that you get. This is just perfect for that. And then I'm also started, I don't know, it may take me a while to get it done, but I have started like a shabby chic little journal. And so I made a few of these for that. And anyway, I used some of the little flowers that Sharon had made. Anyway, just so cute. These would also be a great little gift if you have a friend that's a crafter and you know, they like a certain style. This would be absolutely a great little gift, and it would be fun if you like gave them a blank journal and then just let them, you know, kind of fill it in, and you made a few little odds and ends for it like this. Just super, super fun, super cute. So, and super easy, which we all like. So anyway, so what I did was I just took those two and I just got me a little tie to keep them together, and anyway, just like that. Super fun, super fun. So that was one thing I kind of had played with over the month of April. And then here is this paper bag journal. I finally got it finished up. Also, these background papers that I use like this, My Porch Prints, when I purchased these were just $1. I think there were like, I cannot remember, but there were like 3 or 4 different ones for $1. But anyway, I mean, there's like 4, you get 4 different ones for $1. And then I got 4 of these numbered like ones that were real cute. And they're all 4 different. And then I'll show you another one while I have it right behind me. This is like that shabby paper right here. And is there 2 there? Oh, no, that's just 1. But anyway, this is one of the papers. But there are, I bought 3 different ones or 4 different ones that she had for $1. $1 for the set. So I'm not sure that she still has that going on, but if it's something you're interested in, go over and check out. I believe they were under collaged papers or collage papers or something there. So anyway, but this is one of those papers right here that I used with these numbers. So in the flap, I just made a little booklet here, and I just cut out some of those numbers individually and put them in there. And these here, I believe, are just Pinterest old photos is what they are. This is one of those Tim Holtz. I don't even know that he sells those anymore. I don't know. They're like the little typewriter fonts or something there. And here I left the pockets pretty much empty. I added a couple of little pieces of ephemera from Tim Holtz. I added a couple of just stained papers in case somebody would want to make their own little booklet or, you know, something there. Added a little tag in the surprise pocket there. Here I added a couple more. Just, that's the Tim Holtz there. Added a couple more of the stained papers to match the journal there. And there's that. This will be in the Etsy shop. And anyway, just thought it'd be fun to have something to work with. Because I did leave the bag, the little paper bag, I left them, I think I left them empty. Yeah, no, I put a little piece of paper in them. Okay, but they don't have any like booklets made. So here is, of course, the front. And these, of course, are some Tim Holtz. I've been really trying to use up some of those Tim Holtz papers there and little ephemera pieces that I have. I just have so many. It's just pretty crazy, actually, how many I bought over the years. So here's another little collage and another little one there. Here's some more just collage with the mushrooms. And here I just added a piece of just plain stained paper there, little notebook paper. And a little piece of music sheet, and it's reinforced. I love this picture here. I love that little girl. Just a little collage there. And then here is a little butterfly collage. Like I said, trying to use up the Tim Holtz. Got some of the little vintage buttons there for the center. Here's another little cute picture. This is actually ephemera behind here. That is just some old ephemera. These are some 49 and Market rub-ons is what those are. I kind of used them throughout. Another little Tim Holtz piece there. The other side of this bag here, and same way I just added this little sheet there. This is just kind of a book of collages. Here's some more of that rub-on from 49 and Market. Of course, stitch the edges on the paper. Here's a cute little collage there on some graph paper. And this little picture is from the Tim Holtz collection as well. And anyway, just a cute little journal. Not sure how many pages I got in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it'd be 20 pages or inserts and 40 sides. And then, of course, you can add some more here. And, of course, I left this here just with nothing in it. I don't know that I even showed the cover there. But anyway, that's your inside cover there. This is actually an old book. That first cover on your cover page. I liked it so well I kept it. It was in a book I gutted. And I just absolutely loved it. So I kept it. And anyway, I used it in here. But this is an 8.5 by, I believe, almost 5. Yeah, just right at 5. So anyway, like I said, this will go to the Etsy shop. It will be in there if anybody's interested. And anyway, that was just some of the, like I said, some of the little crafts I had been working on over the month of April. And I wanted to share also real quick that Tracy Fox, and you have to sign up for her newsletter in order to get this free printable, but she actually on her YouTube channel has been working with putting these together, and they were just adorable. So I have printed off a couple of them, and I plan on playing with that. But this is a Tracy Fox freebie if you sign up for her newsletter. So I will leave Tracy Fox's link there to where you can go to her site to sign up for the newsletter if you'd like. And anyway, I'll be having a play with these because they were just so cute. And they're a freebie. So anyway, have a great day, everybody. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.